Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition, including lots and vacant land. I'm here at a lot we're purchasing. We're in the Florida Desire area, just next to Gentilly. And look, this lot had been in the family for a while. It was a house back in the day, and the family had run a daycare center out of it actually. But after Katrina, the house was demolished and it's never been rebuilt on. So they had been keeping it up, you know, the grass, cuttings, etc. But just as the owner's getting older, she's just sort of let that go a little bit. So it's starting to get overgrown. You know, she's getting code violations and the likes, and she owes some back taxes on it. So look, she's ready to let it go. So she reached out to us. She found us online, and we're purchasing the lot now. We'll develop something on it. So you know, it's you can see it's overgrown. We're not this nice one, unfortunately. This is our lot. So you know, look, obviously when it starts to grow like this, the city, you know, will issue code enforcements. Those code enforcements can compound, and what can happen, you know, if you're not in a good area, and this, you know, this isn't that great an area yet. It hasn't really come up. So pretty soon those code violations and taxes can actually end up being more than the property's worth, and then you're really stuck in a position. So unfortunately that's not the case here. There is some equity in the lot. They didn't wait too long, so we're able to purchase it for cash, and they're able to walk away with money. We're able to pay off the taxes and the code violations. But I do see often when people come to us when it's just too late, and particularly if the house is vacant and it's been demolished and there's a demolition lien on it, which can be around 10K itself plus taxes, etc. So you know, if you're uptown, I mean, that's fine. You know, the land's worth a lot of money, you know, but if you're, you know, in some other areas, that can pretty soon just erode all the equity, and then someone like us can't purchase it because we can't afford to pay for that, and you're stuck, you know, with a debt and a burden that's probably going to be foreclosed upon. So look, if you have a land you're looking to sell, reach out to us. You have a house you're looking to sell, reach out to us. We buy in any condition. You can visit us at homebuyerlouisiana.com or just give us a call. Thanks so much.